Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 19, leçon R, and we'll see together in this lesson les verbes du troisième groupe, and more precisely, how to conjugate les verbes, the verbs that are ending with URE. Okay, so URE. And well, actually, even if it's, let's call it a micro group, I think it's quite important to just take the time to see how to conjugate these verbs. Okay, and so the example I wanted to use or to take is conclure, and basically it means to end, close, or conclude. Okay, so let's see how we will conjugate conclure. Je conclus, tu conclus, il conclut, elle conclut, nous concluons, vous concluez, il conclut, elle conclut. So as usual, let's say that the singular is not that difficult because probably you would put that without knowing that it goes like that. S-S-T. Okay, so you get conclu, conclu, conclu. Okay, the same phonetical form here. The tricky thing in a way is for nous, vous, il, elle of the plural, because basically you don't put anything between this U and the ending. So you get this concluons, okay? So don't put any S or anything here. So it's not conclusion or conclurons or something like that. For the present form, it's concluons, okay? Concluez, and then here, conclu. Okay, keep in mind that even if you put this final ENT, so the ending, you don't pronounce it. So phonetically you get conclu. Conclu. Okay, so je conclus, tu conclus, il conclut, elle conclut, nous concluons, vous concluez, il conclut, elle conclut. And so when I say it's a micro group, it's just because you will see that we've got actually two verbs that will be conjugated like conclure. But you know, honestly, it's quite important to introduce them anyway because they are not that tricky to conjugate. And it's inclure and exclure. Okay, so inclure, exclure, and I'm pretty sure that you understand how or what they mean without the translations, but of course I will offer you the translation, and it's inclure means to include or incorporate, and then exclure, exclude or get rid of. Okay,